News tonight, the decades-long fight to improve air quality in the Central Valley continued today in the state capitol as lawmakers and environmental justice advocates urged the passage of a new bill aimed to cleaning up the air quality here in the San Joaquin Valley, a place where air quality has been deemed the most dangerous in the country. 23 ABC's Taylor Levesque joins us in the live center now with more on how Assembly Bill 2550 aims to protect the most vulnerable. Taylor.
Bill 2550, which addresses the urgent need to improve air quality in the 8 counties that make up the San Joaquin Valley, including here in Kern, passed the state assembly this afternoon. Environmental justice advocates are calling the decline of air quality a public health crisis as asthma cases, chronic lung conditions, and other health issues rise among residents. And lawmakers say air quality needs to be improved now.
My wife has asthma. My kids are developing asthma.
Stockton resident Matt Holmes says air pollution is affecting his community.
Everyone in my community thinks it's normal to have asthma.
But Dr. Catherine Garupa White says it's not normal, and there are thousands of people of all ages in the San Joaquin Valley experiencing health problems.
Air pollution contributes to numerous negative health impacts, economic impacts, and erodes quality of life in the San Joaquin Valley. Roughly 1 in 5 children in the valley have asthma. More people in our region die each year from fine particle pollution than car accidents.
Focused on improving air quality, Fresno Assembly member Joaquin Arambula presented Assembly Bill 2550 Monday that increases the effort to improve the air quality in the San Joaquin Valley.
It is a fact that Fresno County has the worst air for particle pollution in the United States, according to the American Lung Association. And Kern County ranks second. The health and safety of the Valley residents cannot wait any longer.
According to Assembly Bill 2550, the California Air Resources Board is required to give more guidance and support to the San Joaquin Valley Air District and consult with community-based organizations in disadvantaged communities to improve air quality and the quality of life and to ensure air quality standards are met.
Given the district's long history of favoring industry at the expense of public health, we continue to blow through deadlines to meet standards that are so old they can no longer be considered health protective. The San Joaquin Valley has not met the 1979 ozone standard or the 1997 standard for fine particles.
But Tom Jordan with Valley Air District opposed the idea and says the district's current partnership with the California Air Resources Board has been able to meet some standards, but doesn't think the bill would help them go beyond that.
At this stage, stationary sources make up about 15% of the nitrogen oxide emissions, and mobile sources are about 85% of our issue. The bill doesn't provide any additional resources to address mobile source emissions, which are the single largest contributor to the state's air quality challenges.
But White says to reduce air pollution, something needs to change.
The California Air Resources Board is well positioned to assist with additional enforcement measures and strategies needed to meet clean air goals in the valley.
Existing law designates local air districts with primary responsibility to control air pollution from sources like factories, refineries, and power plants, and requires the State Air Resources Board to coordinate air pollution control activities to make sure the entire state is in compliance with state standards. But Arambula says the quality of air in the San Joaquin Valley has worsened, and Assembly Bill 2550 will hold state and local agencies accountable in monitoring air quality in the San Joaquin Valley. In studio, Taylor Levesque, 23 ABC, connecting you.